Arrive in style with this GMC 2018 Acadia SLT-1. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, premium audio system, GMC infotainment system, radio data system, radio, AM/FM 8 diagonal color touchscreen, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.